Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we're working on the core. 10 different exercises, random times, random repetitions, gonna be decided by this little green guy right here. So let's not waste any more time. This should take about, I don't know, between 10 and 15 minutes. Let's not waste any more time and I'll see you guys in about 5 seconds. All right guys, welcome back. Like I said, the first exercise is going to be sit-ups. So let's get down on the ground. I don't know what we're doing yet. We're doing sit-ups and we are going to do 30 seconds of sit-ups. Repetitions don't matter for this one. Are you guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 30 seconds. Ten different exercises today, guys. All core and no equipment. We have about 8 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and we're done with the first exercise. Next exercise is a candlestick. And once again, it's going to be decided by this die over here, by me throwing it. So let's just throw it up in the air, see where it lands. And looks like we're doing 20 candlesticks. Don't have to look at the clock. I just need somewhere to hold on to. It's a little bit awkward right here. Not really prepared, but like I always say, my workouts are your workouts. So let's get going with 20 candlesticks. I know for some of you this is your favorite exercise, but it's a very effective one, however, even if you don't like it all that much, and that's okay. We still do it, right? So 20 candlesticks, the preview should be on the screen for all this exercise and all the other exercises. So let's get going. 3, 2, 1. So we're going out and up. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more, halfway there. Five more. Last one. And 1. All right, here we go. Hand to toe is the next exercise. It's very awkward today. I'm standing on this floor the entire time. But you know what? It's all right. We're just gonna go rip through these. I had no idea how long this workout is gonna be because this might be a long interval or a very short one. Hand to toe being the next exercise, and we're going to be doing it for 30 seconds. All right, 30 seconds of hand to toe. We'll get started somewhere where I can tell what it is on the clock easier. So 4 minutes in, we'll get started. Previews on the screen as always. You guys know what to do. You've been here before. If you're new, welcome. 3, 2, 1. Let's go hand, toe, and the other one. We're doing this for 30 seconds. Like I said, 10 different exercises today. Sometimes it's just fun to work out without knowing exactly what you're doing. Just kind of keep it random, keep it exciting. Not everything always has to be written down. We're not competing for anything here. We're just trying to stay a little fit. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and done. We're just trying to stay a little fit, stay ahead of the game a little bit without killing ourselves, right? And that's actually my personal workouts. That's what I started doing for the last couple of weeks. I just work out, just have a little bit of fun. I'm too old to care about these little things. Sometimes I write everything down. Been doing it for a long time. Anyway, enough talking. We're moving on to mountain climbers, and we're doing 20 repetitions of mountain climbers. So let's make it 20 repetitions per leg and make it a little more exciting. How is that? You guys ready to go? 20 reps per leg. Mountain climbers in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. All right. Halfway now, 4 exercises down, 6 exercises to go. And we are going with 20 repetitions of crunches. That should be easy enough. Since crunches are relatively easy and 20 is not that many, let's make them slow and very deliberate. So hands back, do not pull on your neck, and you're just gonna go towards the ceiling at my pace. Ready? We're going for 20. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, nice and slow. 2, follow my pace. 3, this is not a race, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway there, keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it up. 6, 7, 3 more. 1, 2, last one, 3, and relax. All right, now we're halfway done with the exercises. Scissor kicks is next. I'm gonna stay right down here. Roll this magic die, and it's telling me we're doing 60 seconds of scissor kicks. All right. The only one way to do this is to get it done. You guys ready to go? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Scissor kicks for 60 seconds. Nice and quick. Press that back against the ground. Protect your lower back with your hands like I am. And we're just doing 60 seconds. We have 45 seconds left. Keep it up. This is exercise number 6, so we have 4 left after this one. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. "15 more seconds, I believe." I'm just looking at the clock. This clock just keeps on going, so I hope I counted 60. If not, we're doing 75. I know it's not 45. I know we got 5 seconds left, whatever it is. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Whew. All right, we get to stand up. We're doing standing crunches. Oh yeah, it's nice to be up. Anyway, here it is. Gonna throw this on the ground right here, see what it says. And 30 seconds. You probably can't see this, but 30 seconds of standing crunches. I put this on the window behind me. And you guys are ready to go? 30 seconds. Let's take a little break. Let's take a little breather. Let's start in 10. How is that? You know why? Because it's gonna be easier for me to count from 9 minutes to 9:30 than some arbitrary number. Anyway, we can start in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Boom. And boom. Get those elbows and those knees together. Keep it up. 15 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right. For the rest of the exercises, there's only a couple left. We're gonna be getting on the ground and staying there. So let's get down the ground. We're good. Next one is mountain jacks. Previews up on the screen. I have a very difficult time talking today, but you know what? It's just filming on one take. It is what it is. So we're doing just 10 reps, thankfully, because this is a difficult exercise. 10 reps of mountain jacks. So get in your plank position. Previews up on the screen, or was up on the screen, and we're just going for 10. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that's it. All right, 2 exercises left. I was most afraid of that one, and I'm like, if we get 90 seconds of this one, it's not gonna be pleasant. All right, bicycles next. And those are happening for 20 repetitions. Once again, it's a pretty easy exercise. So let's take these bicycles, pretend we're biking uphill. We'll take it nice and slow and deliberate, all right? We're going for 20 reps. So let's count 20 on one leg just to give ourselves a little bit more work. All right, ready to go? Let's go. 1, hold it. 2, squeeze it up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5. Boom. All right. 1 exercise left. We are almost done. Side to side planks. 1 exercise. Let's see what we're doing them for. It's rolling, 60 seconds. So first of all, we have to hold the plank for 60 seconds. Second of all, we have to roll from side to side for 60 seconds. So let's get started somewhere where it's easy for me to keep the clock going. Let's get started at 3, 2, 1, and roll to the side. Boom, boom, and the other side. We're doing 60 seconds, guys. Roll as far as down as you can. 45 seconds left. Use that core. 25 seconds left. Keep it up. About 10 seconds. 5, 2, 1, and that's it. Well, there we go. We are done with the core workout. It'll take about 12 minutes or so. I say it's a pretty solid core work. Guys, thank you for joining me today for After 50. This was our no equipment core workout. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.